That's the change of the guard.
I guess the new guards are coming in, I guess.
This is
Yeah,
so
you go
cool.
first.
Bring out your dad.
Alright.
You're not my king. I didn't vote for you.
You don't vote for king. Some more. There we go.
There we go.
So now we're going into the Buckingham Palace area.
This is St. James Park.
Yeah, St. James Park.
We're gonna find the palace right now. So.
Yeah, somewhere out there is the palace. There, yeah. I mean, it is dirty. Like, honestly, there's trash. You know,
let's just say that.
Very, here, look over there, look at that. But it's very beautiful at the same time. You know,
Yeah.
I said the same thing about Rome when I was in Rome, that there was just trash everywhere. And, you know,
Yeah.
people throw their, it's sort of like New York when people put their trash out everywhere.
Yeah.
It's the same concept.
Oh.
But it's just nice.
It's nice. It's beautiful.
Okay, make up your mind, baby.
We're gonna keep filming.
Oh. So something's going on.
Something's going on. We have a lot of people
really
waiting here.
Sure.
We might just stay here for a bit and see what's going on. Hey. Ooh, here it comes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, all you're not going to
know.
Everything really. And they're going back to the barracks. About 10:30. Because what you got to what it is, they come out with rooms. So this is one barracks.
Hi, what's going on?
Changing of the guards.
Changing of the guards, okay.
Yeah.
Cool, that's awesome. Is it changing of the guards? Guards.
Okay.
Guards, yeah. Give me your phone.
No, this one. There we go. So I guess it was just the changing of the guards. So the changing of the guards, I guess, happens every other day. Here's Buckingham Palace, though. You can enter, you know, over here, or over there. There's a lot. But we're going to go up there and just see it closer up. What I really like is this part here. I just think that's gorgeous right there. So.
That's the change of the guard.
I guess the new guards are coming in, I guess.
This is
yeah,
so
you go
cool.
First.
Bring out your dad.
Alright.
You're not my king. I didn't vote for you.
You don't vote for king. You don't want to be king. Yes, we're recording lots of Python hold around.
Here, this way. Come up closer.
So the white flowers are cherry blossoms, I guess.
So it's probably gonna be all like that, like in springtime, which is in a couple of days. So it's gonna start warming up, and it's so beautiful, so well taken care of.
Look at that balance.
Se você me perguntar como é que a hostess fica, assim, o trabalho inteiro. So this building that you're seeing over there is the current horse guards that it was built in 1753. The military has been presented at horse guards since 1641. The building was designed by William Kent, the chief of architect to George II, and it features a clock tower over an archway. Located next to the horse guards are a few official residencies like Foreign Office, Prime Minister Residency, and the Cabinet War Rooms. It's a very, very interesting place to visit because you can see it through the story of the city and the story of the world, I believe so. I'm gonna film it right. I'm gonna sing right now. Romeo, save me. I've been feeling so alone. I keep waiting on you, but you never go. Is this in my head? I don't know what you think. He nails to the ground and pull out a ring and say, marry me, Juliet. You never have to be alone. I love you, and that's all I got to you that you pick up the white dress. This a love story, baby. Just say yes.
Here they come, the horsies. So we caught the changing of the guards, we caught the changing of these guys, we caught everything today. That's cool. Okay, like Sherlock Holmes.
Oh, from this way.
Hold on, I'm looking inside.
And this trip to London has been a dream come true. The city mixes the modern with the old and gives you the feeling of stepping up inside of an encyclopedia book. Yes, I am that old. Like New York, but better. It has a charm and an alluring that New York doesn't. Maybe it's because it's across the pond. People here look more relaxed and less intimidating. Also, I want to give a big shout out to our friend Ty in Indiana that we found a bar that has his last name on it, and we cannot wait to bring them here so he can enjoy it and see and get beers with his name on it. So I hope he can come over at some point with us.
Is that Ben?
Yeah.
That's